Understanding traffic signals and road signs, a comprehensive overview. 1. Navigating the roadway communication system. Navigating the intricate web of roadway communication systems demands more than a mere understanding of red, yellow, and green lights. It's an art form, where each traffic signal and road sign is a brushstroke contributing to the larger picture of road safety and efficiency. The language spoken here is universal yet so profoundly unique, guiding millions in their daily commutes with silent commands that hinge on collective understanding and compliance. Delving deeper into this system reveals a complex narrative of human innovation designed to combat chaos on the streets. Signs and signals do more than regulate. They narrate the stories of roads less traveled, cautionary tales at crossroads, and legends on the highways. This dialogue between asphalt and driver is crucial for not just individual journeys but for knitting together the fabric of our societies, seamlessly connecting people, places, and possibilities. As we embark on this journey to decode these messages hidden in plain sight, we unlock new levels of appreciation for the nuances of roadway communication that choreograph our daily travels with silent precision. 2. The evolution of traffic signals and signs. The evolution of traffic signals and signs is a fascinating journey through time, reflecting our advancing civilization and the increasing complexity of our mobility needs. Initially, in the early 19th century, simplistic signs and manually operated signals were utilized to manage the movement of horse-drawn carriages. Fast forward to today, we now witness a high-tech symphony of automated traffic lights, digital signage, and even AI-powered systems guiding millions of vehicles daily. This remarkable transformation underscores our relentless pursuit for safety, efficiency, and order amidst the bustling chaos of modern transportation networks. In an intriguing twist on innovation, recent developments are not merely about controlling traffic but optimizing it. Imagine smart traffic signals that can adapt in real time to changing conditions or even communicate with vehicles directly to smooth out flows and reduce congestion. These intelligent systems symbolize a shift from static rules to dynamic interaction within public spaces. As we stand on the brink of integrating autonomous vehicles into this mix, the role of traffic signals and signs is set to evolve further, promising safer roads with fewer barriers between points A and B. Thus, what started as simple visual cues has morphed into a complex dance of technology-driven guidance mechanisms that continue to shape how we navigate our world. 3. Decoding color codes in traffic lights. At the heart of our bustling streets lies a communication system older than most, yet it's understood universally: traffic lights. The beauty and brilliance lie in their simplicity. 3 colors that guide the rhythm of urban life with an efficiency that's both unspoken and undeniable. But have you ever paused to consider the profound psychology and historical context behind these chromatic directives? Red, commanding us to halt, is not arbitrarily chosen. This color has been associated with stop signals for over a century due to its visibility from great distances and its universal association with danger, making it crucial in preventing mishaps at intersections. Meanwhile, green invites movement with its calming hue that echoes nature's go-ahead signal to grow and proceed. Yellow bridges these two extremes, offering a brief interlude that demands our attention, a fleeting but critical reminder to prepare for change. Together, these colors form a language without words, guiding us safely through the complexities of modern transportation networks with surprising grace. 4. Understanding road signs, symbols and shapes. As we navigate the roads, understanding the language of road signs becomes paramount for safety. Interestingly, road signs utilize a simple yet sophisticated system of symbols and shapes which serve as a non-verbal method of communication to drivers at high speeds or from distances. For instance, the octagonal shape universally means stop, an immediate visual cue that requires no translation regardless of the country you're driving in. This instant recognition is critical in preventing accidents and ensuring smooth traffic flow. Delving deeper into symbolism, colors play a crucial role as well. Red signifies prohibition or warning, while green marks directions or permitted actions, transforming road navigation into an intuitive process even in unfamiliar territories. It's intriguing how such basic symbols and shapes effectively organize complex traffic movements worldwide. This efficient use of design illustrates not only the importance but also the power of universal visual languages in our everyday lives. As drivers, developing a keen eye for these signs can enhance our understanding of road safety rules, making our journeys safer and more predictable. 5. The importance of pedestrian signals. Pedestrian signals, often seen as the silent guardians of foot traffic, play a crucial role in the intricate dance of urban mobility. These beacons of safety do more than just manage pedestrians. They're instrumental in fostering an environment where walking is not just safe but encouraged. By offering clear indications about when to stride confidently across roads and when to wait, these signals effectively minimize conflicts between pedestrians and vehicles, making urban centers more accessible and livable. The real power of pedestrian signals lies in their subtle influence on city life's tempo. They are pivotal in designing smarter cities that prioritize human-scale development. With each green walk icon, there's an opportunity for increased social interaction on streets and a nudge toward healthier lifestyle choices by making walking a safer, more appealing mode of transport. In this light, pedestrian signals aren't merely regulatory tools. They are emblems of a city's commitment to inclusivity and sustainability, shaping spaces that cater not just to vehicles but also to people's needs for safe and sociable environments. 6. Advanced technology in modern traffic systems. As we journey through the urban landscapes and winding rural roads, understanding traffic signals and road signs is not just about obeying the law. It's a testament to our commitment to safety and respect for fellow travelers. The myriad of signs, lights, and markings are not merely obstacles in our daily commutes but lifelines that maintain order amidst the chaos. By immersing ourselves in this knowledge, we transcend from being mere participants on the road to becoming guardians of safety. This transformation cultivates an environment where vigilance becomes second nature, safeguarding the lives of passengers, pedestrians, and fellow drivers alike. In closing, ensuring safety through knowledge is akin to weaving a protective net across the expanse of our roadways. Each piece of information learned acts as a strand in this net, making it stronger and more resilient against accidents and misunderstandings. As we journey forward with this wisdom in tow, let us remember that every sign understood and every signal heeded brings us closer to a reality where the roads unite rather than divide, a realm where every traveler arrives safely at their destination. Embrace this mission with heartful diligence, for in this realm of concrete jungle, being informed is your shield against unseen perils awaiting around each bend or turn. 7. Ensuring safety through knowledge. As we navigate the web of streets and highways that connect our lives, understanding traffic signals and road signs is not just about legal compliance, it's a fundamental aspect of communal safety. Every red light obeyed, every yield sign heeded, creates ripples across the pond of our shared journey, ensuring not just individual safety but safeguarding the well-being of all. This collective vigilance is akin to a language, a universal dialogue between diverse travelers, rooted in mutual respect and care. The mark of a genuinely safe environment does not rest solely on the shoulders of laws or regulations but emerges from the knowledge and conscientious actions of its participants. Ignorance may lead to chaos, but enlightenment paves the way for harmony. In this vein, delving deep into understanding each blinker's intention and every sign's message unveils more than just rules to follow. It uncovers a path towards fostering an ecosystem where every journey ends safely. As members of this intricate network, our commitment to absorbing and applying this knowledge stands as our collective pledge towards creating safer passages for all who traverse alongside us.